Alrighty, we're back again once more. We're going to venture off into country now. Some country rap. Now, this is JamWayne. I've listened to a few of his songs. I haven't heard this one. And it's featuring Brandon Hart. I've never heard him yet. So, I figured this would be good. This is 4 months ago. 615K views. So yeah, let's give it a listen. Let's see what JamWayne's done with this and who Brandon Hart is, apparently. Okay. Off we go. Where are we going in this adventure?
Cause I've seen highs and I've seen lows, been down every damn broken road. I've sold hearts and never sold my soul. I probably got a place in hell, I know. Been up shit creek without a paddle. I'm still riding high in the saddle. I'm playing life with the cards I chose, and that's the way that the code
It was a hell of a place. I climbed up out of that bitch, JamMaverick. Cause I up and play the hand that I'm dealt. And I ain't showing my weapon, concealing steady my wrist. Be on ready for whatever, let me paint you a pic. So I'm revealing my temperament, bloody, broken and dusty. I put that still in, I'm busting it, killer Freeman or Rusty. Caught trying to fuck with a future, any kid with a shot. Mickey Jambo, man, no rules, baby, calling the shots. Chance and major paper, tear that bitch ass counselor kid. Got jammed.
You know, I don't know if I don't mind the country rap, the country and everything like this, but I gotta draw the line when these white rappers are imitating the black movements, you know, their hand gestures and the way they put their legs and do their moves, and you know, what are we doing? You know, can't you come up with your own moves or something, or do something original or anything? I mean, yeah, I get it, it's rap and you're trying to, you know, go with the culture, but you know, you're a whole different genre. I mean, I just when I see it, it doesn't look right. You know what I mean? You know, it's like eating your pasta, you know, and they didn't put salt in the water. You know, yeah, it's pasta, but it's, you know, just not right.
And switched on me, snitching out like a bitch. And I hit that free ride pass by like bye-bye, baby. That's selling hell on earth, that's why the look in my eyes crazy.
I've seen highs and I've seen lows, been down every damn broken road. I've sold hearts and never sold my soul. I probably got a place in hell, I know. Been up shit creek.
See, I take this as Brandon. Now, you watch him do his verses, you don't see him doing all that stuff, you know? So, you know, the two of them, you know, got a different thing going, you know? Brandon's doing his own thing, you know?
Without a paddle, I'm still riding high in the saddle. I'm playing life with the cards I chose. That's the way that the cold wind blows.
Between the blessings and curses, the hearses and deaths, last tears, my addiction, trying to deal with the stress. My last breath, screaming freedom, heaven soldier train, battling demon, hell scheming and creeping, try to run up your leak. My people deep in this section, they quite precise with their weapons, allies in every direction, and family ties is a blessing. And I ain't flexing, I just let you know we be with the shit, no matter which way the wind blows. I handle my biz,
Cause
yo.
I've seen highs and I've seen lows, been down every damn broken road. I've sold hearts and never sold my soul. that's the way that the cold wind blows. And that's the way that the cold wind blows.
Okay. I'll be starting over 4. I get it, but you know it's a good song and everything. I'm going to have to look into Brandon Hart now. All you did was sing the chorus in that, but I'm interested. It's a good chorus and everything, and I'm gonna have to check out. There's got a link to his channel. Yeah, Brandon Hart right there. We're gonna have to check him out. Maybe we'll get Brandon on channel 2 and see what his music's all about. We're exploring in 2025. Remember, we're bringing in a new genre, and not just rap. You know, we got regular rap, we got country rap. We're going to be bringing in some pop and other stuff, and even some old stuff, which is what I'm going to next in the next video. I know the song, I know the artist, I listened to it, 30 years ago or something, but I never watched the videos, so I want to see the video, the live video version of it, and we'll see how that is. I'll tell you guys about it right after this.